Good morning student. Once again we are on the same sum, question number 8, page number 78. In the previous video we have finished with the trial balance. Now in this video we will learn how to give effects of adjustment. Here the first adjustment says provide depreciation 6% on machinery and 20% on furniture and fixtures. 6% on machinery and 20% on furniture and fixtures. Here machinery, as we have written it at asset side, machinery amount is 50,000. 6% depreciation of that will be rupees 3,000. We will deduct the depreciation and 47,000 will be the amount in outer column. The same way, furniture and fixtures, 20% depreciation, 20% of 5,000 comes to 1,000. Deduct it from furniture and fixtures, the outer column amount will be 4,000. And the another two effects of these two adjustment, that this 3,000 and 1,000, as these are depreciation, one kind of expense, will be recorded at the profit and loss account debit side. So here it is to depreciation on machinery 3,000, depreciation on furniture 1,000. Now come to the second adjustment, which says write off rupees 500 from debtors as bad debts. We will deduct bad debts rupees 500 from debtors, BDA, that is bad debts of adjustment 5,000. After deducting amount, the outer column amount will be 39500. The another effect of this will be again in profit and loss account debit side, bad debts, below that bad debts adjustment 500, adding that total amount 1,700. Okay, now come to the adjustment number 3, which says annual salary of rupees 5,000 and 4,000 payable to Brahma and Vishnu respectively. This adjustment is new for you, but you have learned in first chapter where to record salary of partner. Salary of partner is recorded at the debit side of profit and loss appropriation account. Here it is to salary 5,000 and 4,000, outer column 9,000. Now as it is an adjustment, it has two effects. We already know this. So the another effect at the credit side of partners capital account, salary 5,000 and 4,000. This salary is given to partners for working actively in the partnership firm, and at the end of the year it is added to their capital. It is added to their capital, that means it is recorded at the credit side of capital account. Next adjustment says commission rupees 500 is receivable. Receivable word suggests it is an outstanding income. So we have already written commission at the credit of profit and loss account. Here now the receivable commission will be added to the commission 500, outer column 3,000. The another effect of this, as it is a receivable income, it is considered as current asset. So receivable commission 500, it is here at the asset side of balance sheet. Next is outstanding salary 3,000, outstanding salary rupees 3,000. So this is the salary of employees. The previous one was the salary of partners. Partners salary we write in profit and loss account as we have written it, but the routine salary it is an administrative expense. We have already written 7500 from trial balance. Now this outstanding salary rupees 3000 will be added to that, and the outer column total amount will be 10,500. Another effect of this, as it is a outstanding salary, will be considered as expense, outstanding expense. Outstanding expense, that is liability. Which liability? The current liability. And here it is outstanding salary rupees 3000. Okay, so we have finished with the adjustment. Now as we have seen in the 11th standard, sometime we find some adjustment itself in trial balance. Here also few adjustments are there which is hidden in trial balance. There are two adjustments. One is regarding leasehold building. Leasehold building is given 60,000, but what is given? That from 1/4/16 for 10 years. We are making final account on 31/3/2017. That is, for current year it is from the beginning, but total amount 60,000 is for 10 years. So the total amount 60,000 will be divided by 10. Each year 6,000 rupees we will have to write off. So lease return of rupees 6,000, 54,000. Lease return off is generally considered as a depreciation. So here it is lease return off on leasehold building 6,000. Where do we give second effect? We give second effect at the debit side of profit and loss account. And the last adjustment is regarding loan of Brahma, which is from 1/7/2016, 50,000. Loan we have already mentioned at the balance sheet liability side under non-current liability, but here we will have to give him interest. Now this is the question, interest rate is not mentioned. So according to rule, if interest rate is not given on a partner's loan, 6% annual interest is given to the partners. So we will calculate 6% interest. 6% interest on loan of Brahma for total 9 months. Why 9 months? Because loan was granted on 1/7/2016. So 1/7/2016 to 31/3/2017. How many months? Total 9 months. Here is the calculation. 50,000 is the loan amount, 6% is the rate of interest, and 9 months, so 9/12. Amount comes to 2250. Now this is considered as an financial expense, so will be recorded at the debit side of financial expense. To interest on loan of will be recorded at the debit side of profit and loss account under the head of financial expenses. To interest on loan of Brahma 2250. And the another effect will be given in balance sheet under current liability, outstanding interest on loan of Brahma. These are total adjustment we considered. Now we will be finding the difference of different accounts and the total of balance sheet in the next video.